Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on touch sensitivity function in Samsung Galaxy A55. So where to look for this option and how to turn it on. We need to go to settings. Here we are looking for display option. When we scroll down, we have our touch sensitivity function. So what does it do exactly? From short explanation under this option, we can see increase the touch sensitivity of the screen for use with screen protectors. So if we can see that our touch screen does not work very well with our current screen protector, we can turn on this option. It will probably work a little bit better. By default, this option is turned off. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.